Start by applying glue. Don't add too much or else the mosaics may slide off. Start from the central line of the globe. Add a mirrored diamond mosaic followed by light blue, dark blue, then white square mosaics. Repeat this pattern until you have lined the entire center of the globe. It should look like this once complete. Add another line above the original central line, on the two open sides of the diamond mosaic. Add to light blue squares. Then follow the same color pattern of the original line. Repeat until you have something like this. Now add another line below the central line. Use the same pattern, but this time add white square mosaics on the two open sides of the diamond mosaic. Look at that beautiful pattern! Follow the curve of the base design by adding dark blue squares above the pattern we've made. Add the same curved pattern below. You'll now have a more prominent wavy design. Using the same technique, add curves using white squares above the base pattern. Now you'll have this beautiful shape. Add another set of curves below the base design, but this time use light blue squares. Now get your beads and mix them up. Add more glue, then pour your beads. Make sure they form just one layer. Then use your tweezer to push them down and squeeze together. Your mosaic lamp is almost ready. Create your grout mixture until you reach a toothpaste-like consistency. Using your hand or a plastic stick, spread the grout evenly over each hole to avoid any gaps. Wait for 10 to 20 minutes for the grout to set in and work its magic. Gently brush the whole surface with the wet sponge. Repeat the brushing gently until you can see the vibrant colors of the glass and beads. And there you have it, your very own wavy lamp.